Summer is the perfect time for barbecues, outdoor picnics, pool parties, you name it. Here are 6 tasty appetizers your party needs. We've got chicken wraps, stuffed celery, and even a super easy ice cream pop. All perfect for outdoor parties.
We would love it if you'd watch them all, but if you want to, click in the description and you can jump right to the one that you want to see. Our first appetizer today are mini chicken wraps. For me, these are the best kind of appetizers. They're more substantial than a lighter bite, and they're great for kids. Take them on a picnic or eat them around the pool. They're perfect anytime. First, we're cooking up some frozen chicken tenders. Just follow the package instructions and let them cool slightly after baking. Next, heat up your tortillas for just 10 to 15 seconds. This makes them more flexible so that they don't crack when you roll them up. Now for the flavor. Spread a little mustard on the top half of the tortilla. Next, add a small piece of lettuce, a slice of cheese, and that crispy chicken tender. All right, now let's spread a little mayonnaise on the bottom part. This will help it stick together when you wrap it up. Okay, then you can just pull the sides in and fold up the bottom. And you've got this cute little wrap. Simple, but so good. I actually like to wrap these up in food paper. It makes it easy just to grab one and they don't fall apart so easily. So I got some food paper. You can get these at the dollar store or on Amazon, wherever you want. I cut them into little squares and we're just gonna wrap up our wraps with these. Fold the paper in half. Then you can wrap it around the front of the tortilla, tucking the ends in the back, and then fold up the bottom. That's all there is to it. This paper keeps everything wrapped together nicely and it's very cute. Tell me these are not the cutest little wraps you've ever seen. They're simple, but they're just what you want at a picnic. And I think the deli paper takes them to the next level.
Our second appetizer is cheese and bacon stuffed celery. Our family has been making stuffed celery for holidays for decades. We are definitely pros at it. It's a satisfyingly crunchy and creamy snack in the perfect handheld form. First, grab some fresh celery and chop these stalks into 3 pieces. Next up, the bacon. We're cooking up 3 strips until they're nice and crispy. Because let's be real, bacon makes everything better. Once it's cooked, crumble it up and try not to eat it all before you make it into the filling. No judgment if you do. Let's make the filling. Time to load it up. In goes shredded cheese, crispy bacon, fresh chives, a little salt and pepper, and a few dashes of hot sauce for a tiny kick. Give it all a good mix. Now just scoop or pipe that creamy, cheesy goodness into the celery. I like to overfill it just a little bit because, well, why not? You can fill up dozens of these and they'll disappear fast. Super crunchy, so flavorful. What's not to like?
These summer veggie cups are the fanciest little appetizers, but they're incredibly easy to make. They're filled with fresh flavor and perfect for summer.
Start by slicing the radishes and cucumbers. You want kind of thick slices.
We're using spreadable chive and onion cream cheese. It's packed with flavor. Now for the fresh crunch, a slice of cucumber goes on first, then a radish slice, and half a cherry tomato for that juicy pop of color. See, didn't I promise that would be easy? And super tasty too.
We've always got deviled eggs on our summer appetizer list because everybody loves them. But this year, we're making them super fancy. Say hello to these irresistible deviled eggs with bacon. Boil the eggs using your preferred method. I like to start them in cold water and boil them for 12 minutes. Then immediately put them into an ice bath to cool. Once they're cooled, you can peel them. Next, we'll cook the bacon. You want it crispy. Put it on a paper towel lined plate to dry, and then crumble it up and set it aside. All right, let's get the egg ready. I like to slice them in half lengthwise. Then we're just gonna remove the yolk. Put the yolks in a small bowl and add the mayo, dill, chives, mustard, and salt. Mash it all up. Aren't these egg yolks gorgeous? I got these from a friend who raises chickens. Spread the filling among the eggs. Set them on a serving platter and top them with the crumbled bacon and garnish with more fresh dill. Deviled eggs are a great addition to any party spread, especially if they're topped with bacon like these ones.
In the summer, there's nothing better than fresh peaches. They're so aromatic, perfectly juicy, and so tasty. You don't want to miss an opportunity to use them in your appetizers. So for appetizer number 5, we're making a peach, prosciutto, and mozzarella skewer. You can make your own balsamic glaze with some balsamic vinegar and brown sugar. Just heat it up until it gets syrupy. But it is way easier to buy it. If you're making a lot of appetizers or eating a lot of salads, you'll definitely use it up. You don't need to peel the peaches, just wash them well and cut around the middle. Then we're gonna slice them up into some thin slices. You can cut the prosciutto slices into 4 pieces each. Now to assemble these, gently push the skewer into the peeled side of the peach, fold a basil leaf and thread it onto the skewer. Follow with a folded piece of prosciutto and a mozzarella ball. Rinse and repeat until they're all done. Arrange your skewers on a serving plate, then lightly season them with black pepper and drizzle on the balsamic glaze. Okay, let's give one a try. Wow, it's amazing how all those flavors go together. The peaches are so flavorful.
Our final appetizer today is a dessert, of course. I don't think that you can make a dessert that's gonna be any easier than this, and everyone is going to love it, I promise. We saw these on TikTok and we just had to try them. Plus, it's a great excuse to buy ice cream, right? Grab your favorite pint or 2, stick in 4 popsicle sticks. Then grab a sharp knife and cut through the whole thing. Both ways. Now you can remove the carton and you've got a really easy ice cream bar. See what I mean? Incredibly easy. And you can use any kind of ice cream that you like. I suggest getting 4 or 5 different kinds and letting your guests choose which they'd like. It's just a really fun way to serve dessert.
Thanks for sticking around for all of our summer appetizers. We know you're gonna love these. Why not watch another appetizer video before you go?